Sup guys, welcome to Dale Films. Today we're at Sanyi Meli. The mountain behind me is a Huoyuan mountain. We're gonna get up there today. It's a pretty dangerous one, but we'll try our best. Stay tuned and walk with us. Now, here we go. Okay, so we're now at here. We're going to this place. Not very far, just about 1 hour. Let's go.
小黄，你也跑，你也上完了，拜拜。他怡然自得，对，他怡然自得。
Now see the sign says that if you're near the edge, you need to watch out, or maybe you'll fall into a valley. Gotta be careful. Wow, see that view? Well, I don't know if you can see that clearly. That's actually not fog. That's air pollution. Preset, yeah? Preset. Air pollution from China. Thanks, China. Okay, this row is finished. Okay, right at this spot I want to show you what kind of film I use. Well, usually I take 2 films with me. One of it is the standard 400 film. Usually I took Ultramax or Portra, especially Portra. I love the color, I love the grain. Probably the finest grain you can find right now, but it's pretty expensive, so I got another option is Ultramax. Well, things about Ultramax is that it's just too bright. So look at this one. This one is Photosfilm 400. Well, this one is actually made by Kodak. It's not a Kodak brand, but just the same thing, you know. It's just the same thing. It's actually between Ultramax and Portra, so it's a pretty nice film. But it's only got 24 shots, so it's not enough for me. So I will take another one. Well, this one is Double X. You know, this one is black and white one. It's actually a movie film. If you compare to Portra 160, you can actually feel the grain, you can feel the texture, you know. So it's a totally different kind of film. Never disappointed me. I really like this one. Can't wait to shoot this. So we're gonna keep going, and yeah, gonna load this up real quick. Let's go. Well, we'll be walking about 2 hours. As you can see, we're nearly on the top. Pretty soon we'll get on there. You can see that? Yeah, there's the top. Well, I thought it was a easy climbing, but actually it's pretty tired, you know, climbing all the way up. It's not an easy job. You can see that blue little bridge? That's where we started. It's pretty far away. Okay, let's carry on. Guys, we're officially on the top of the mountain. Man, just look at that. I have no words. It's totally worthwhile. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to hit the like button below, share this to your friend, and also subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I'll see you when I see you.